What? Oh!
Peter.
Dad, what?
Stop it. What?
Come on, Peter, you're not gonna wake up?
Can I sleep for like 5 minutes?
Come on, you have to get up right now.
Dad, can I sleep, Dad?
Okay, 5 more minutes.
5 minutes. Give me 30. God.
Alright, buddy.
Destroy your life.
You're always doing the most.
Imagine this boy, it can never work. You will not be useless in this house. Before you become useless in this house, I will useless you first. You cannot disgrace me. Hey!
I am busy now, I busy Guanelu. One day, you book when I am busy now, I busy Guanelu. I am busy now, I busy Guanelu.
Fine boy, they go say I be at your butter.